Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Have you ever had a different taste of noodles rather than Chinese noodles or chow mein? Today I've brought a different recipe for you guys. I'm going to share a new taste recipe, Hakka Noodles with you, which is extra hot and spicy. This is the best recipe for extra spice lovers and for sure you're going to love it. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. So first of all, I've taken a frying pan and I'm adding 1/4 cup oil into it and boneless chicken. I'm going to fry it for like few minutes unless it turns out to be white. With the help of a spoon, give it a quick stir so that the chicken does not stick with the frying pan and it's cooked properly from each side. Now you can see the chicken has turned out to be white. Now I'm going to add the vegetables. I've taken 1 capsicum, 1 carrot of medium size, and according to your need you can add the cabbage. With that, I'm going to fry these vegetables for like few minutes and gonna stir with the help of a spoon. Okay, I've placed the lid now and I'm gonna wait for a few minutes, and when the water starts evaporating, we're going to take off the lid and give it a good stir. While I'm giving it a stir, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you'll see bell icon. Hit that and you will be updated by my latest video. Let's come back to our recipe. I've added chili sauce, 2 tablespoons, ketchup, 2 tablespoons as well. And now I'm going to give it a stir again. Give it a quick stir until the sauce starts boiling, and you can see the sauce has turned out to be boiling. Now we're going to add the masalas. I've added red chili powder 1 tablespoon. With that, I'm gonna add coriander powder 1 tablespoon as well. And you know it's a hot and spicy recipe, so we're going to add hot spice masala 1/2 tablespoon. We're going to add a lot of chili because it's quite hot and spicy recipe. Okay, you can also replace hot spicy masala with the cinnamon powder, and we're going to add salt. You can add it according to your taste. With that, I'm going to cover it with lid and wait for like 5 minutes for it to cook. And we are proceeding towards the end of the recipe. Now we're going to give it a stir again, and with that we're going to add noodles into it, or spaghettis. For the spaghetti part, I've already boiled the spaghettis, and it's not a big deal to boil spaghetti. Just take a pan, put some water and a little bit of oil, and put some spaghetti into it and place it on the stove. I'll let it boil for like few minutes and check if the spaghetti has turned out to be soft or not after a few times or a few minutes. And we're going to give it a mix and let the spaghetti get hot for like about 5 minutes. I'm taking the help of chopsticks to get it mixed well. After mixing all the veggies and the spaghettis, we're going to place it into a beautiful dish, and your recipe is completely done. You can present it in front of your guests, give it to your children at school, your husband, and you're going to absolutely love this dish. And now we're going to place it into a dish. So I'm placing my Hakka noodles on my presentable white dish, and these are ready to eat. Now this recipe is a little bit easier and you're going to love it, and yeah, you're going to the spice lovers are absolutely going to love it. So do try this recipe at home, share it with your friends and your family. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any query, let me know in the comment section below, and let me know about your recipe, what should I make next. And yeah, that's all for today. Number 2, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. Once you subscribe to my channel, you'll see a bell icon. Again, I'm repeating it because most of the people forget about it. And once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos. Till then, goodbye.